Now the student, today I will start with the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 6. Now I start with the first question, that is given as 2 is less than equal to 3x minus 4 is less than equal to 5. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूँ कि इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. The first way of this is the simplest way is that is 2 is less than and equal to 3x minus 4, and second is 3x minus 4 is less than equal to 5. ऐसा आपने पहले सॉल्व करा है. By transferring this, therefore this becomes minus 3x is less than equal to minus 6 and x is less than 2. Is it clear? And the sign of inequality will change its position when we divide or multiply by minus. Is it okay? Now I will start with the next of this is 3x is less than equal to 9, then x is less than equal to 3. Therefore on combining these two results, can be as 2 is less than x is less than equal to 3. So this is the solution of this question, or the simplest way or the shortcut of this is very important. In the senior classes you will use this method, that is how to solve this for x. See, here is minus 4, adding 4 on both sides. जब मैं 4 ऐड कर दूंगा तो ये नंबर बन जाएगा 9. ऐड कर दिया 4 क्योंकि माइनस का है तो इसको x लाना है. डिवाइडिंग बाय 3 से डिवाइड करूंगा 2 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 3. So therefore first of all adding 4, that is 2 plus 4 6, 5 plus 4 9, 4 to minus 4 cancel. Then to make it x, dividing by 3, so therefore the result will be written as 2 to 3. So this is the interval form of this, or this is also written as 2 to 3. This is closed interval. So this is the way to solve the inequality. So therefore you have to see the method how to solve the inequality. Then next, in the question number 3rd, here is minus 3. Minus 3 is less than equal to 4 minus 7x by 2 is less than equal to 18. Here, first of all, I will subtract the 4 on all the sides. This will become this less than equal to 18 minus 4, because here is a plus 4. Minus 7 is less than equal to minus 7x by 2 is less than equal to 40. Just subtracting this 4 from all the sides and we get the result this. Now after that, multiplying this by 2, so minus 14 is less than equal to minus 7x is less than equal to 28, or then dividing this whole by 7, so therefore minus 7, this means 14 minus 14 minus 7 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 28 upon minus 7. You see the result. To make it free from minus 7, we have to divide this by this. So therefore this can be written as multiplying by 2, that is minus 2 multiplying by 2, now this can be written as the sign of inequality changes position. Why? Because we divide by this, so therefore this becomes 2 when we divide or multiply by minus. Therefore the 2 greater than equal to x is greater than equal to minus 4. Now the result can be written as minus 4 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 2. Okay, you know how to solve this. Therefore the result in the interval form will be written as minus 4 into 2. See, once again I am telling you the question number 3rd. The question is this. First of all, to make it free from 4, तो मैंने minus 4 कर दिया. minus 4 कर दिया. minus 4 करने के बाद minus 7 हो गया, लेस देन इक्वल टू दिस. अब इसको x लाना है तो पहले 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, -14 -7x इज लेस देन 28। अब इसको फ्री करना है -7 से, तो डिवाइडिंग पर -7, व्हेन वी डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई द इनइक्वालिटी बाय माइनस, the sign of inequality will change its position. You need not to write this step, I am just telling you how to solve this. So this is 2 is greater than equal to x is greater than equal to -4, the sign of equality changes its position when we divide or multiply by minus, therefore the result will be written like this. Now in question number 7, the question is you have to solve the inequality and show the solution on the graph or number line. The first case is 5x plus 1 is greater than -24, and second is 5x minus 1 is less than 24. In this side we will write it as 5x is greater than minus of 25 or x is greater than -5. Here if I solve this, 5x is less than 25 or x is less than 5. Then by combining these two results we will write it as -5 is less than x is less than 5. Now this is an open interval because the boundary points are not included. Therefore how to plot the graph of this? This is infinity, this is minus infinity. Here is, let this circle denote -5 and this is 5. Therefore the graph of this will be greater than 5 -5 and less than 5. So this will be the representation of this on the number line. So this is the way to solve the problem. Okay students, you have to solve more and more problems. There are total I think 7-8 questions of this type. 3 I have solved and you try more to solve. Now I will start with the next problem, that is question number 11. You have to read the question properly and according to the statement this becomes 68 is less than 77 degree. What is this f? Where f is given as the Fahrenheit degree representation is given as 9 by c, 5 of c plus of 32. Therefore by substituting this here we write it as this 9 by 5 of c plus of 32 is less than 77 of degree. This whole is in the case of degree. Therefore now how to solve this? You see, again by subtracting this 32 from all the sides we get 77 minus 32. Again you see, the first step is subtracting this 32. Now after subtracting this can be written as, this becomes 36 is less than 9 by 5, c is less than, this becomes 5 and 4, that is 45. Okay, then multiply this by 5 to make it free from 5, so this will be written as 180 is less than 9c is less than 2 to 5. Then dividing by 9, so this will be written as 20 is less than c is less than 9 to, that is 45. So therefore this lies between 20 degree and 25 degree. The result is lies between 20 to 25 degree. Okay, I again telling you, you have to read the question properly, then try to solve it. Now I am starting with question number 12. This is very important type of questions, and this type of question also given in an example. You also try to solve that example. The question is, let x liter, you read the question, how many liter? That x liter of 2%, let x liter of 2% boric acid, the solution is of boric acid, is to be added to how much? That is 640 liters of solution है. So therefore the total mixture, by question total mixture becomes 640 plus of x liter. So this is the total mixture becomes. Now according to the statement, this always lies between 4% to 6% of this. So therefore 4% of x plus of 640 is lies between, that is a 2% of x added in what, that is plus of 8% of 640 and lies between 4 to 6% of the mixture, that is 6% of x plus 640. So this is the statement given. You have to read the statement properly and try to solve it. Now students, after writing this, we will use the percentage of this, that is 4 times of x plus 640 percent is less than 2% of x plus 8% of this is less than 6% of x plus 640 because the total mixture is this. To solve the inequality, we having the two cases here, 100 to 100 cancel. This first becomes 4x plus of 640 is less than 2x plus 8 times of this. So that is 8 into this. And second is 2x plus 8 into this less than 6 into x plus of 640. You see what is this? That is separated into two parts. One is this much, another is this. So therefore in left hand side you have to multiply this. On multiplication of this becomes 4x and plus or by multiplying of this, that is 2560 is less than 2x plus of 5120. Then simplifying this becomes 2x and 2x is less than what? That is 2560. What is x? X is less than 2560 by 2, that implies 12 and that is 80. So x is less than 1280 in the left hand side. Now on the same way we will try to solve on the right hand side. What will be in the right hand side? You have to multiply this, that is right hand side, that is 2x plus 5120 is less than, that is 6x and plus of 0, that is 0, 24 and 36, that is 3800 of 40, 3840. Then this becomes minus of 4x, that is 3840 and minus of 51 of 20. Therefore this can be written as minus 4x is less than. Now this becomes 4x is less than minus of how much is this? That is equal to minus 1280. Therefore sign of inequality change its position when we divide or multiply by this minus. That implies x will be greater than, that is 3, 2 and 20. So x is greater than 3, 20. That means the solution of this, here x is 1280, so that means the result of this is lies between, this is greater than and less than 20, therefore 320 is less than, x is less than 1280. So this is the value of this mixture. We have to add lies between 320 liter to 1280 liter. Okay, see once again I am telling you that x liter of 2% boric acid is to be added. You read the statement, the total mixture becomes 640 plus x. Now the lies between 4% to 6%, therefore 4% of this mixture, 6% of this mixture and 2% of x is to be added in 8% of 640 liter of the boric acid solution. So therefore this becomes 4% of this. Now 100 to 100 cancel, we divide it into the two inequalities, number one is this and another is this. So therefore this way you have to solve this, that is 4x, that is 2x and multiplying this, transferring the term. So this is the way to solve the problem. So this is all about your linear programming problems and you try to solve more problems. That's all about this topic.